Hello everyone, welcome back, and today I'll be teaching you about week 7. Now before this video starts, I just want to say two things. Now, I know it's not yet week 7, I know it's the 15th of August, it's a holiday, but this video is not gonna get uploaded on the 15th of August. Instead, it'll be uploaded on the 17th, so relax, you won't get your holidays cut. I hope you enjoyed your holidays, and yeah, let's go on. Now first off is Lambda. I hope I pronounced that right, please don't blame me. Lambda is where it's actually just like functions, but we have to explain them with arguments and expressions. So first off, the ex the syntax for it is lambda arguments colon expressions. In the picture in front of you, I have presented it double equals to lambda c colon c asterisk 2. So in this case, lambda is lambda, c is the argument, then colon, then c is the expression. In this case, it's 5 over here. Now print double. All right, like that. We can increase it and decrease it, but in this case, nah. All right, let's go on. Lambda filter. Now we filter out some numbers here, so we get only numbers which are divisible by 3. So my list equals to 1, 5, 4, 6, 8, 11, 3, 12. New list filter lambda argument is x colon, this is the expression, parentheses x percentage 3 equals to 0, and then add my list at the end. So these are, and the numbers which are divisible by 3 are 6, 3, and 12. Now let's go on. Now remember the lambda expressions, the lambda way syntax to run it is lambda arguments colon expression. Alright. Now lambda filter, this is an example of printing numbers divisible. Oh, sorry, lambda map. Lambda map, this is an example for tripling the whole list with lambda map. But it can also go to quadrupling, 1 to the 10th, 1 to 10th, 1 to the power of 10th, 1 to the power of 20, 1 to the power of 30, and so on. Alright, so this is the expression right here, the whole list of code. List map lambda argument is x colon x asterisk 3, the expression, and can all go on. Now 1 will appear as 3 when you print it, 12 will appear as 48, 11 to 33, 6 to 18. Alright, let's go on to arrays. Now here we are at arrays. Now arrays we will call A R as A double R. Now please note that I don't want to sound weird, and neither do I want you to be confused. Now import array as A double R. A equals to A double R dot array. Now please follow, please, I want you guys to understand this part because it confused me before, and I don't want you guys to get confused. Now we give b. Now b is for integers, alright, and if you replace that by any other letter, it'll give syntax problems, which is not good in this case. But if you replace the numbers with 1.1 as floats or on, alright, then it'll also give syntax errors. So leave it as b if you're doing it with integers, and d if you're doing it with floats. Now there's a whole list for this. It works for C also, the C language, not the C letter, C language. It works for that too, from inside and so on. I really don't want to get into a whole deep information because I want to keep these lessons short. So when you print these like this, it'll print that, but if you replace it with anything else, it'll give an error. So please fix the error if you find any, or contact me, I can explain further on. Now import. Now next up, let's go to access array elements. Now to access and print array elements, you use the following. To start the index, it starts with 0, and when you end it, it's on, in this case, 3. But when you go reverse from 8 6 4 2, it goes like this: -1 is 8, -4 is 2. So when you print like this, it's gonna make sense for you. So the list starts from 0 and ends in 3 in this case, but when you reverse, -1 is 8, and so on. Now first element 0, 1, -1 is last element. That's how. Slicing arrays. Now this is actually one of the most fun. I like this is the most interesting of today's topics. Import array as ARR numbers list equals to 245, 162, 542, 52, 48, 85, 23. Numbers dot array underscore array equals to ARR dot array I numbers list. Now you print them with slicing. Now the reason I'm giving -5 over here is because over here, as you can see, 23, it's -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So when you print it from 0, this is the fourth number. Alright, so that's how you get to the fourth number. Alright, that's all for today. Thank you a lot for watching this video and sacrificing some of your precious time to watch our interesting videos about Python. Now, just before you click off, I want to say something. Our faculty and, well, myself, we are working a lot in our videos. Faculty is serving as your helpers. They help you to understand further if you have any doubts. Remember, we have our email, zillahypes with a double S, zillahyeps.com at gmail.com. Alright, and if you have even further doubts, we have our support site, Zilla Hype Support, our homepage site. You can use that to get much information. Alright, our email is added over there, and I hope you can view it. Alright guys, that's all. Thank you a lot for watching. I'll be seeing you next time.